Heads
that
up.
Here
Beamer
it
and
comes.
890, and
Oh my
they
God,
all
here it comes again,
exploded
here it
except
comes.
mine.
Just plowing through. Oh, nope. Slowing down.
Well, cause started too early. Yeah.
Well, that's why your marble never wins.
Oh!
Oh!
890 versus 890. Nice one.
And still, they keep going around the hammerhead. That's pretty cool. I'm beginning to like the hammerhead. It's a survivor.
Yeah.
Watch everybody coming from it in 5 seconds.
Oh, hey, Fox, did you watch the new Avenger 1 video?
Yes, I did. The rings.
No, there's a new one after that.
Oh, there's another one now.
Yeah.
The Rings was a very odd video.
Watch
No,
out, Fox.
We're talking about something else.
A little bit of a boom.
It's
A
Star
little bit
Citizen
of a
related.
bump.
It's what?
Well, we still got one
Star
more
Citizen
ship.
related.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The Rings video was a very odd video.
Odd.
Yeah, I was waiting for the super bombshell and it never really happened.
Still a redeemer down there.
Dude, did you see how they were able to flip around the system just by pushing a button?
Oh, yeah.
And then, did you see some of the names on there? Very
2 months
recognizable
ago,
name.
2 months ago, we were looking at the cheats on my stream from a website and talking about how people were doing that then.
Yeah. Well, and then when we called them out on it, how upset they were about it.
Incoming.
I see.
It's too high. It's too high.
It's way high. Whoop,
Oh,
whoop,
he's coming
here it
after
comes.
the hammerhead.
But we took him as well.
Whoa.
That was cool. He cut the
Nice
entire
one.
nose off, and then we all died.
Wow.
Hey, that was fun. Thanks, I appreciate it.
That was beautiful.
When we